He was walking to his doctor's appointment. So he was walking down the street. Guy, just flannel, normal clothes, comes up to him, says, "Hey, what's the directions to something?" So my guy tells him, he's like, "Hey, go this way." And this guy in the flannel pulls out a badge. He said, "Oh, where's your papers?" Like verbatim, "Where are your papers?" These two guys are the reason I do immigration law now. If you had asked me a year ago, I would have absolutely never, ever in a million years have said, "Yeah, I'm going to be an immigration attorney." But here we are today, and I have these two guys who are now, I consider them friends. I have them to blame for it. So it was back in July of 2025, and I was asked to help out with 5 guys who were from, I'm not going to use the real country, not the real country. They were from Jamaica. All right, so these 5 guys are from Jamaica. They're working in a town in northern Michigan where we'll just say there's not a lot of people that look like they're from Jamaica living in this town. And what happened was ICE was just took over this town for a couple of weeks and was just cherry picking all these people, because a lot of these people from this specific country work in the industry in this town. I don't want to say what town it is, but you get the idea. So basically, if you're in this town and you look a certain way, odds are you're from, we'll call it Jamaica. It's not actually Jamaica. So here's what happened with my guys. One of them, just amazing person, had a medical problem. He was walking to his doctor's appointment. So he was walking down the street. Guy, just flannel, normal clothes, comes up to him, says, "Hey, what's the directions to something?" So my guy tells him, he's like, "Hey, go this way." And this guy in the flannel pulls out a badge. He said, "Oh, where's your papers?" Like verbatim, "Where are your papers?" Like what? What? That is the exact words he used. "Where are your papers?" My client's walking down the street. You come up to him, ask for directions, and all of a sudden it's, "Wo sind Sie Ihre Papier?" as they say in another country. So yeah, he got picked up that way. His friends, similar situation. They're driving to work, and there's a roundabout, and the city's police as well as ICE were just camped out at this roundabout, and saying that they didn't signal at the roundabout. So they said that they weren't using their turn signal at the roundabout. So they're pulling them over, and, "Oh, what do you know? You're from this country."